Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to start our new section in which we learn about the object-oriented programming. Now, Java is a object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a programming based on the concept of objects, which may contains data. So let's understand this theory with the help of an example. Now here, a dog has states, color, name, breed, as well as some behaviors. Now imagine that there is a dog. It can bark, it can walk, it can eat, it can drink, etc. There is a dog which is a class, and when a new dog baby born, then that baby dog is the object that has all the features of a dog. In the same way, what is class? Class is a blueprint that describes the behavior. An object has states and the behaviors. Now, states and the behaviors of the object are defined in the class. In the real world, a baby dog has states and behaviors which are described in his mother. So you can understand this relation classes and object by using the real world example dog and his baby. Now dog is the class and his baby is the object. I hope you understand the relationship of class and the object. Now what are the states here? The states is color, name and breed. Now these states are the instance variable in a class, and what are the behaviors? Behaviors are the instance functions in a class. You can better understand it when we will write our code for our class. So let's create our code for a class in NetBeans. So here first of all I add my package, that is package student. My file of Java is present in the package of student. Then I create a class. A class is created by using the class keyword. I type here public, then I type the class keyword, then I have to type the name of the class. For this video I type here student, and this is the body of the class. Now here I have to describe some states, like I type here string name. A student must have a name, int roll number, he has a roll number, and double CGPA. Okay, so these three things are the states of this class, and also you can say that these three are the instance variables and the member variables of this class. Now we have to describe some behavior of these variables, what these variables are going to do. So I create a member function here. I type here void, and the name of the function will be student name, and in the body of the function I type the single statement system dot out dot println the name of student. I create one more instance function here, void student fee, and type your system dot out dot println the roll number of student. Now here I am going to create the main function. I type here public static void main and string args, and within the body of the main function I am going to create an object of class student. So how I can create the object of class student? First of all, I have to type the name of the class student. Then I have to type the name of the object. I type here s1 as the name of object and type the new, and then again I have to type the student class name. And in this way we can create object of class. So we have created the object of class student. Now I am going to call the instance member functions of the class. I type here s1, put the dot operator and call the student fee. Again s1 dot student name. Now if I run this program, you will see two lines on the screen: the roll number of student, the name of student. Now here these three are the states of this class, or you can say these are the instance variable of this class, and these two functions or methods are describing the behavior that what we are going to do in this class. This is just simple function, it is going to print this line, but when we create our next programs, then we are going to type a proper code in the functions that describe the behavior, proper behavior. So this is just an example of the class, and how we can create a class and how we can create object of that class. I hope you understand about the classes and the objects. Now I explain it again with the help of the real world example. Now dog. Dog is the class and his baby is the object. Whenever a new baby is born, it is called the object of the class dog, because that object has all the functionalities of the class dog. So this is what we call classes and objects. If you feel any problem while understanding it, you can definitely ask me a question. And that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.